Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss MCQ for Design of Distribution System PSPD subject. Question number 1. A transmission and distribution engineer needed to design the sub-transmission substations. The tapping component needed is feeder. Question number 2. While designing the distributions to locality of 1 lakh populations with medium dense load requirement, system employed is radial system. Question number 3. A parallel distribution system is more reliable than a radial distribution system. So our answer is option number A. Now question number 4. A DC two-wire system with midpoint earthhead having cross-sectional area of each conductor B small a and resistance R1. If the DC tau wire replace the system, then the ratio of volume of each conductor V1 divided by V2 क्या होगा हमारा 0.25. Now question number 5. While designing the distribution substations by the designer, it is required to use the blank for the discrete power tapping. So our answer is distributor, option number D. Question number 6. A DC two-wire system with midpoint earthhead having a cross-sectional area of each conductor B small a and resistance R1. If this is replaced by monopolar system, then saving of copper is 0.5, option number B. Now question number 7. For the single phase two-wire system, the maximum voltage between the outer wire and earth is, so our answer is option number D, 0.707 voltage V. Now question number 8. For a 440 voltage distribution system, the maximum voltage at the midpoint, so our answer is 155.6 voltage, option number A. Now question number 9. If a two-wire AC single-phase distribution system operating at P megawatt and V kV operating at the power factor of 0.8, then the current into the outer wire kilo ampere is, so our answer is option number B, 0.880 P divided by V. Question number 10. If a two-wire AC single-phase distribution system operating at 30 megawatt and 315 kilowatt operating at the power factor of 0.8, then the current into the outer wire is in kilo ampere is 83.800. So our answer is option number D. Question number 11. For a two-wire AC single-phase distribution system operating at 30 megawatt and 315 kilowatt operating at the power factor of 0.8 having 15 ohm resistance of each wire, then the copper loss at the substations in kilowatt is, so answer is option number C. Now question number 12. For a two-wire AC single-phase distribution system operating at 30 megawatt and 315 kilowatt operating at the power factor of 0.8 having a 15 ohm resistance of each wire, then the power at the consumer and in megawatt is, so answer is 29.79. Question number 13. For a AC 3-phase 4-wire system having a voltage of 415 voltage with load of 120 kilowatt and resistance of 0.5 ohm at power factor of 0.75, the incurred copper losses of the system is option number A. Question number 14. Distributor fed at both ends has advantages of, so our answer is option number D, all of the above. That means continuous supply, fault isolation and economical. Question number 15. Distribution feeding system of ring main system has one feeder. Question number 16. A substation's records a dip in the voltage received by 50% or 15%. To overcome these issues, the booster employed at the substation is a series wound generator coupled to DC shunt motor, option number A. Now, question number 17. A substation records a dip in the voltage received by 15%. To overcome these issues, the booster employed at the substation, which should have a low voltage and high current generator, our answer is option number A. Now, question number 18. The cost of material used in distributed circuit per kVA of distributed power varies as option number B, linear dimensions of the supply area whole raised to square. Question number 19. Limit of voltage variations allowed in the distribution system is, so our limit is plus or minus 6%. Question number 20. The null point of a uniformly loaded distributor feed at equal voltage at both ends lies at midpoint, option number A. Question number 21. Which type of distribution is preferred in residential area? So our answer is option number C, 3-phase 4-wire system. Important question this one.